Last time I told you about the claim that shows up years after the job's done and the client's long gone. Now let me explain the coverage that's supposed to catch it and the quiet mistake that leaves plenty of businesses hanging out to dry. Hi, I'm Marty with JMW Insurance Solutions. I help business owners protect what they've built. Almost nobody actually reads closely. Completed operations coverage is part of your general liability. It's designed to respond when your finished work causes bodily injury or property damage after you've wrapped up the project. Products coverage does the same for the goods you sell or manufacture. Together they handle the long tail, the risk that keeps hanging around long after the invoice cleared. Here's the mechanism that trips people up. Most general liability is written on an occurrence basis, which means it generally responds based on when the injury or damage happens, as long as you had coverage in force at that time. For completed operations, that's usually good news. A properly maintained occurrence policy can respond to a loss that surfaces later. But watch what happens when coverage changes. Let a policy lapse, switch carriers carelessly, or drop coverage when you slow down or close up shop, and you can open a gap. And if your coverage is written on a claims-made basis instead, the timing rules are a whole different animal. Those policies generally only respond if the claim is made while coverage is active or while a special extended period is in place. That one distinction has burned a lot of owners who assumed every liability policy works the same way. They don't, not even a little. There are other details that decide whether a claim actually gets paid. Your operations have to be described accurately, so the work that caused the loss is genuinely within what the policy covers. Your limits and your aggregate have to be adequate, and exclusions matter. Some policies quietly limit certain types of work or certain products. The big idea is this: the work you finish today can cough up a claim years into the future. Completed operations and products coverage are what stand between you and that delayed liability. But they only protect you if the coverage is the right type, stays continuous, and honestly reflects what your business actually does. If you've changed carriers, scaled back, or you're just not sure your completed work is still protected, that's a conversation worth having before the claim, not after. Visit us at jmwinsuranceSolutions.com and let's confirm the long tail is covered.